Wow, I saw a train.
No, we had saw a lot.
You saw a lot that way.
This is a lot
I think it was the street Monticello.
of train. Oh my gosh. There was a train. Oh my gosh, there was a train. Oh my gosh.
You're taking a video of that train too?
Yes.
Yes. It must be from New York. There's a lot of ghetto writing there.
Is it good?
I know, right?
Is there one more?
Damn, so New York, they really doing graffitis like that?
Is it one more?
Boom, like
That's all rainbow.
tablets they got now in the stations. They breaking them.
No, it's not one.
Tablets in the
One more.
station? Why?
It's
It shows
no
you the
one more.
commercials and it shows you the stops and everything, like TV screens.
And they're breaking them?
Oh my gosh.
Damn, that must have cost a lot of city money to build those.
It's crazy
Money we pay for.
and epic. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that someone drives the train.
This thing's taking forever.
I'm gonna take a W.
Must be a lot of shit.
Damn, I still
One-
can't get over all the New York stories you're telling me.
That was a long cart. That was a long cart on a train. It was a
Oh, no, New
long
York said,
one.
you planning to come away from another country? Stay where you're at.
Yeah, you told me that.
Oh, it's our original. Haha.
See, when those suckers come knocking on their door, that's when they start worrying.
Mm.
Start going to suburbs.
Ghost, go do the ghost. Is that a ghost?
I know.
A ghost.
It's okay. We're not in any rush. But you're starving. Did you eat at all today?
No, I ate
A ghost.
Burger King.
A ghost. A Burger King? Why did you say that?
King, Nathan.
Oh my gosh, would you say that? Y'all are so
Put a toy in there. I put the
y'all are so funny.
How old are you?
You're 9.
I don't like those toys anyway. He's never once in his life played with McDonald's or Burger King toys. Actually, I don't need Burger King or McDonald's toys. I didn't even know they had Burger King toys.
I have seen the video that